Okay, hi everyone. My name is Nguyen and I'm from group 22. So here we are Nguyen and Huy Quang. And today I would love to introduce you about our Android tourist app named Apollo. And in here we would like to show the introduction features and detail, target users, resources and risk. This all in with me on Git. And first thing first, you should we should know how to install and run it, right? Found it in our two document here. One is a software requirement document, and the next one is a software design document. The software requirement document also show you the three contents: the introduction, function requirement, and the non-function requirement. In here we about resources, we use Android mobiles to run it, to launch it. Yeah, and attention, here is our app just in developing, so we can use the Android mobile to run it yet. In the future you can use it, but not now. So we should install the Android Studio in the laptop or PC to launch this program. And in here is have basic requirements to download and install Android Studio. Like you recommend have 8 GB RAM and just so on. Otherwise, you can install the Genymotion and VirtualBox to launch it on laptop or PC. To make it clearly, you can't use just Android Studio to launch it because it needs a virtual machine, virtual device. Like we show here, this is my virtual device. So you can install it in the Android Studio. It also have this tool, or you can use the Genymotions or VirtualBox to run it. And last but not least, we should connect to internet easily, because our app use the Firebase to load the data and launch. So that is a resources requirement. And next we follow we will see the reason here. It may be slow to launch or get damage called loading data. Yeah, because we in developing, so it makes sense. So sorry for that. We will support you and respond you immediately if we have problem. And in here we have the function requirement, some function that the application following, and non-function requirement here. And so we move on the design specification. We have the introduction, about scope, term, and definitions, overviews, assumption, constraints, architecture designs, packet diagram, and last but not least the interface design, data design, system design, and so on. So in here we would know why we use Java app, because I think most of people like to travel, right? So travel application help you to um, make the your tour and uh, plan it more easily. Yeah, you can decide where to visit location and update the provide the application will update provide the weathers. Also have requirement. And here is thanks for my teammate Quang. He is a designer in my team, and he designed uh, the architect designs this system overview. You also have three base screen like the social network websites like login, sign up screen, home screen, and this is what is when load is data will load in the Firebase. It has some extras, uh, some extras screen that is most special and important in our applications. And we have also have the update explanation here. Also we have a module. We show some activities of the class in here, but we will change some a bit to in order to make our class our applications go faster uh, and easy to load. Like we will train activity to fragment to make it more smoother and faster. And then it's packet diagram. Also have activities like class and have item, also the adapter belonging it. Also have the design, the XML file and sources. And then we have the interface, user interface designs, login screen, profile screen, what you will show after you sign up successfully. Here this sign up screen, and the sign screen will show the profile screen if you sign successfully too. So now I will test how it works. So in here we have all the class here. I should say that Quang, my teammate, is the designer, and he's also show me about um, how to he just established the design here, and he's also check it if my design is have a problem. And thanks for him. We also see the check validated until Java is not nib at this time. Why? Because here is here. We don't need to do that because it's just the function is just set the error in the field. Why you sign up or sign if people don't fill it, like the field username or password, if you don't fill it, it will not successfully to be done. Okay, so it's a sign screen, and also the main activities, the profile activities, and sign up activities. The main tool here we use Firebase. Firebase. Well, why is loading too slow? Yeah, we have here Firebase, and what we should do with it. First, you should authentication. Go to authentication and make the connect and implement uh, the library to use. So how we can how do you know if it's do successfully? Because I will use it, I will find it through the Firebase console. In Firebase console, I also have my project here. You know, you can see UI beautiful collection 2. I just it's just demo name here, and it's all the data of my application in Firebase. And first, I will run it. First thing first, I will uh, uninstall it. Why? Because we should start from the beginning. Yeah. Uninstall. Okay. Yeah. And so I will launch it. Yeah, don't have no bug here. Take a bit time. So it's my login screen. So I don't have account this moment. So I have to create my account. My name is Thiet. Copy. Copy. Emails like what you win. You would like to create my gmail.com. Password is 11111 11111. Yeah. Pick the gender too. And register. Oops. We minimum elite minimum characters elite 6. So I have here. I forgot to update it. Yeah, it seems successfully done. Okay, I'll make my name Thiet and my pictures. Yeah. Okay, save. Yeah. So why we know that? How we know that if it done successfully? We go to the authentication and all the email that you create. We paste in here. Yeah. This our Gmail our the account, and now I just uninstall it because I just did not done the um, sign out button yet, so we should remove it to see the sign screen because I we set the if you create the account and just a moment it will get the current account, and is the default function. And how we know that? If our profile live and saved in the storage, you can pick in storage, file. See, this profile will just update. Yeah, and this load screen. I should use the um, current account, like we just done at the moment. You gmail.com and 11111 right. Yeah, sweet, lucky. Okay, can you see your name, my name? Yeah, yeah, and my pictures in the next screen, so I can show here, but it seemed good at the beginning of us. So okay, so that's all what our introductions. See you after it's finished. Bye bye.